An empty American Airlines aircraft was pushed off its position on the tarmac at Dallas-Fort Worth Airport by strong winds during a storm. Video showed an American Airlines plane being blown off its position on the tarmac as storms battered the region. Tuesday's storm produced hail, rain, and destructive winds, including gusts as high as 95 miles per hour or 153 kilometers per hour in Dallas-Fort Worth and surrounding areas. American Airlines said in a statement several of their aircrafts were affected by high winds at the airport.